in this video. Will the month of December be bullish or bearish? And guys, we need to take a quick look with the Bitcoin dominance, as right now, the Bitcoin dominance is hinting either an altcoin season or a Bitcoin season. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So I think let's look at first the Bitcoin returns chart na ating ginawa and what we have been following. So yeah, let's give an update. So previously kasi diba, we were expecting a November bullish month kasi if you're going to look at historical data, during a bull market year, November tends to be a month for a bull market. So if you're going to look at this, every month of November, dun tayo lagi bullish or dun more likely yung pinakang malaking return. And looking at the 2016 and 2017, dun rin tayo may return. But ang problem is, this 2021, dun tayo hindi nakita na malaking return. And this is actually a quite different thing na hindi natin in-expect. But ano ba yung possible theory na bakit ganyan yung nangyari? So if we're going to look at this, yung highest return ng bull market year nung 2013 was between the month of November. But during the 2016 and 2017, nag-scatter yung ating bull market months between October, November, and December. So could this possibly be na for the year 2021 to 2022, mas lalong mag-scatter yung ating bull market months between 3 or 4 months? So it's possible kasi if you're going to look at this on 2013, yung bull market month ng November nag-divide into 2 or 3 more na bull market months. So this 2 to 3 or more bull market months can possibly be divided into 3 or 4 more bull market months in the coming months. So possible na we had that red month last November, pero possible na between December 2021, January, and February 2022 would be a possible green month. So I think pwede siya ma-adjust kasi if we're going to look at the Bitcoin historical data din, bakit ba din natin nasabi yun? Kasi if you're going to look at this, meron din tayo sinasabi na yung lengthening cycle according to Benjamin Cohen. So ano ba yung lengthening cycle na yun? So if you're going to look at this bar pattern, if you're going to plot from the 2011 up until the 2013 bull market, and then if you're also going to plot another bull market year for the 2015 up until the 2018 market cycle, and if you plot natin sila on top, you would actually see na nagkakaroon tayo ng lengthening cycle and diminishing return. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin nun, tumatagal yung ating market cycle as the day goes by. And yeah, you're going to see na for the year 2021, it's actually more likely na may extend yung ating bull market cycle and of course, mas less yung return. But you would see na it's more likely na around the year 2022 tayo makita ng mas malaking bull markets. Though 2022 would be the one na mag-indicate sa atin na makita tayo ng bullish month, I think December is going to be one of the green months na pwede mag-form and pwedeng makatulong dito sa ating lengthening cycle. Kasi especially if isa-scatter pa natin yung green months into multiple months, possible na yung remaining green months would be around this area between December, January, February, and March. So that could be the possible movement niya for the lengthening cycle, especially dito sa 2021 December. So I think December is going to be a green month. Same goes with the month of January and February. So I think that is what we can expect for the Bitcoin return chart, especially na, yun nga, lengthening cycle is actually playing out with our historical Bitcoin returns chart. So that is for the Bitcoin price in the longer time frame, but let's now look into this in the shorter time frame. So right now, diba, it's the first day of the month and yesterday was a monthly candle close. So I was expecting na magkakaroon tayo ng puro noises lang, and look at that. That's actually playing out. And right now, I don't think na there's a good thing to trade pa ngayon, but if you're going to look at this, meron tayo nag-form na support and resistance. So the actual support na we are actually getting is between the 55.5K and then the resistance is actually the 59.2 or 59.3K. So right now, I think we are going to expect more consolidation between this area, not unless magkaroon tayo ng breakout dito sa area na yan. So as you can see, ayun, nagko-consolidate muna tayo dyan sa area. And yeah, I think that's what we need to be watching out for. Now, if you're going to look at this in the daily time frame, I think mas maganda tingnan yung ating moving average chart. You can actually see now we are still playing above this 20 this 50-day moving average. And, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, I'm expecting more of a rebound ulit sa ating 50-day moving average before we are going to head up dito kay Bitcoin. So right now, ito pa din yung inaabangan natin is yung magkaroon pa siya ng one last pullback and then magkakaroon na rebound. In that case, doon ako mag-expect na magiging bullish siya. Or, isa pang pwedeng scenario if mabreak natin itong falling channel resistance. And kailangan natin siya mabreak with volume in order for us to see a movement to the upside for the Bitcoin price action. And you can actually see that dito sa ating shorter time frame din na yung ating 4-hour time frame. Itong area na yan, if mabreak natin yan, then yeah, dun more likely mas aakit pa si Bitcoin. But right now, expect more consolidation not unless we see a buy volume and breakout dito sa ating resistance na yan. So that is for the Bitcoin price. Now let's look at the Bitcoin dominance kasi right now, the Bitcoin dominance is hinting this possible move. Kasi look at this. If you're going to zoom out, you can actually see now we are starting to form this somewhat of a pennant. So let's try to draw the pennant. So ayun na meron tayong pennant forming actually in the daily time frame. So this is actually a pretty big one. And ayan o, nagpo-form tayo dyan ng pennant. And usually, this pennant could actually be either a bearish pennant. So if this is a bear pennant, if let's say this breaks to the downside, then we are more likely going to see a movement to the downside for the Bitcoin dominance. And this is going to be a pretty big move for the Bitcoin dominance. So right now, if this bear pennant breaks to the downside, then I think we're going to see a massive altcoin season. Kasi remember, whenever the dominance is going down, doon tayo makita ng altcoin season. Pero Bitcoin season if paakit to. So right now, ito yung monitor natin if this breaks to the downside. However, ito din yung ating isang pwedeng maging possible move dito. If let's say this is actually an inverse head and shoulders, some would say na this is an inverse head and shoulders. So if that is the case, and if this breaks bullish, then yeah, this is going to be a Bitcoin season. So in that case, if bumagsak to, focus tayo kay altcoins. Pero if na-break niya yung resistance, then we would be focusing more with the Bitcoin price action. So yeah, that is for the Bitcoin dominance. And speaking of altcoins, let's talk about Ethereum. So right now, nagkaroon tayo actually ng breakout kay Ethereum. So look at this, we were following the descending triangle dito kay Ethereum. And look at that, we actually finally made a breakout. And our target for Ethereum is actually the $5,150 or $5,140. And as you can see, nagkaroon tayo ng buy volume indicating na we saw that confirmed move. And you can actually take partial profits na around this area na, around the 4.8K or 4.850 kasi yun yung ating previous all-time high resistance. And as you can see, Ethereum is right now overbought, indicating na right now is one of the best time to sell Ethereum. And yeah, you could actually take some profit na nga kasi yun nga, we are overbought and malapit tayo sa resistance. Nonetheless, ang technical target natin would still be the $5,140. But yeah, yun yung ating movement ngayon. So right now, nag-open ako ng long position kay Ethereum, both in Bingbon, Phoenix, as well as Bybit. And yan, naka-open ako ng long, nag-set ako ng stop loss at this point of breakout. Take profit area, partial take profit area at the 4,850, and then another take profit area at the $5,140. So yung aking play ngayon dito for the Ethereum price action. And guys, if you want to trade Ethereum or Bitcoin or any coins with the lowest fees possible, you can actually trade that with Bingbon kasi dito mas mura yung ating trading fees. So as usual, if you want to claim bonus dito kay Bingbon, you can actually use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. And if you want to stake your coins, you can actually stake your coins, guys, in crypto.com kasi dito mas malaking interest when it comes to staking, especially Ethereum. Ako, personally, dito ako nag-stake na Ethereum kasi dito lang may malaking staking for Ethereum. And as you can see, you can stake and earn up to 14.5 interest per annum. Para sa mga hindi nakaalam, meron din tayo actually iPhone 13 giveaway. You can actually find that in the description down below if you want to join our free iPhone 13 giveaway. So, ayun muna update natin for today, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.